Hello guys, welcome once again to PPC Ads Pro YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how to install both Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics in your website. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to install Google Analytics 4 in your website. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to install both Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics in your website. Let's go to Google Analytics. Type here analytics.google.com. Right now on the screen we can see Google Analytics dashboard. We already created an account for previous tutorial. If you haven't watched my previous tutorial, let's find it on below descriptions. Then go to admin. You can find it admin in the left bottom. Let's go to the admin. Before that, if your Google Analytics dashboard open like this, you can easily maximize it by clicking on this arrow at the bottom. Right now we're gonna move to admin panel. Let's click on it. Let's see here, there is one account and another one is property. For the previous tutorial we created an account PPC Ads Pro and there is one GA property as well. In this tutorial we're gonna create new account for Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics. Let's click on create button. Let's see here, the first option is account name. You have to fill up your account name over here. I'm gonna name it PPC Ads Pro UA and GA4. Then hit on next button. Let's see here, you can create maximum up to 100 Google Analytics accounts. We already created one account, now still remaining 99 accounts. Let's hit on next button. Here you wanna enter your property name. I'm gonna name it PPC Ads Pro Analytics. Then choose your reporting time zone and currency. I'm gonna go for United Arab Emirates. The currency is AED. Then you can see at the bottom show advanced option. If you wanna install Google Analytics 4 in your website, you have to skip this option. If you wanna create both Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics in your website, you must go for it. Let's click on show advanced option. The another step, create both Google Analytics 4 and a Universal Analytics property. Right now we're gonna install both Universal Analytics and GA4. So let's tick it on. Then there is another checkbox, make sure tick it on. It's enable enhanced measurement for Google Analytics 4 property. Right now we're gonna install both accounts. Let's choose the first one, create both Google Analytics 4 and a Universal Analytics property. Then here you wanna enter your website address. Before that, make sure whether your website is SSL certified or not. If your website is SSL certified, that could be HTTPS. Otherwise, that will be HTTP only. Let's hit on next button. For the next step, Google asking you some information like your industry and your business size and how do you gonna use this Google Analytics. For the industry, I'm just gonna select online communities. For the business size, I'm gonna go for small. And the final one, how do you intend to use a Google Analytics with your business? Let's select measure customer engagement with my site or app, optimize my site or app experience, measure lead generation analytics, analyze my online sales. That's it for now. Let's click on next button. The next one is license agreement. You have to choose your country and tick it on this checkbox and hit on I accept button. This is the final step in Google Analytics. You can see here stream URL, stream names, measurement ID. Then come to Google site tag and let's click on it. You can find here some codes. You no need to do much more thing with this code. You gotta copy this code and paste it in your website header tag. If you don't know how to paste this particular code in your website header, you just copy this code and send it to your web developer. And let's inform them paste this code on header section that's gonna access every page on your website. For this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to copy paste this code in a WordPress website. Let's copy this code, then go to the website. Right now I am already logged in my website and here I'm gonna go to my WordPress dashboard. There are many other platforms like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal and even static site or core PHP, whatever it is, you have to, if you are not familiar with everything, if you don't know how to paste this code on header, you gotta contact your web developer or your webmaster. They will install it for you. That doesn't matter. If you do all these things, that could be better. Otherwise, leave it for the web developer. Then here I'm gonna go to appearance. If you are using WordPress website, you can almost follow these same steps. Let's go to appearance, then theme editor. Let's click on theme editor, and then you gotta find theme header. Click on it. Actually, this is the header section of my website. This particular header is loading for every pages in my website. Paste your code in the header section, the code that you copied from Google Analytics. That's it. Then I'm gonna update this file. Let's see here, file edited successfully. Right now this code has been pasted in your header section, in your website header section. So this particular header gonna load to every pages of your website. Then we're gonna move to analytics again. We successfully installed both Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics. So let's go to home again, and here you're gonna find Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics. The first one is PPC Ads Pro Analytics GA4, and another one is PPC Ads Pro Analytics, and you can see here the ID is UA, starting with UA. It means this Universal Analytics. Once again, I'm gonna go to admin. Let's check here. First one is PPC Ads Pro account. The second one is PPC Ads Pro UA and GA4 account. And there you can find the properties. The first one is Universal Analytics property, and second one is GA. And second one is GA4. That's it for in this tutorial. Right now successfully installed both Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics. Now we're gonna check whether it's working or not. Let's go to real-time overview. Let's visit my website once. Most probably it take 1 to 3 minutes to fire. Yeah, it's done. That's it guys. It's very simple process to install both Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics. For the next tutorial, we're gonna learn how to install Google Analytics 4 in your website with your older version of Universal Analytics. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.